The jail is the other side. There is a prison down in the jail when someone from the royal family, when they do some kind of crime, I would be jailed here, temporary one. Before being taken very far away, prison.
Well, there was a lot of entries. There was always entries.
I would give time for the others. Yeah.
They used to jail their people?
Yeah. You can try. You would have different.
You should get some sunshine.
This is, yeah, she's right. This is the water cistern, a water container. During the rainy season, 400 years ago, those kings, they go water, not from rivers. Because during the rainy season, the rivers, they are flooded with dirt flow form. They are not safe for drinking. So how they go to pure water, that you see, when the rain water run down from this inlet parapet, rain spout from the roof, water run down, it goes inside there. Every day they add new sand to filter the water. After it will filter with the sun, a few water pass through here and it's collected down there. When it becomes dirty, they go down and they live through Canada. Before it was bombed by the British, it was covered. To bring the water, they use a bucket, you know, fishing pole. When you wind up the fish come out. They use same kind of technique. This is a kind of traditional rooftop water harvesting.
Wow.
During the Aksumite Queen of Sheba, we had such techniques. But the Romans in part were known by making also such aqueducts. In the Middle East, like in Europe, the aqueducts, you know.
Yes.
Or Ethiopians, we had such.
Top water harvesting. What century was that?
In the 17th century, 17.
Wow, family. I just really wish I could see this in its original format all the way. This would have been just incredible. So as you can see, certain parts did not survive
Okay.
based on these devils
Like European,
attacking our country,
we had
attacking
like,
our culture.
like the Norwegian, like the Norwegian, Swedish, like the Finnish people. They have known by sauna. At the same time, we have a long tradition of using sauna or a steam bath. Sauna. That's the first and the smallest one. Sauna for the first king. But we had a big one built by Joshua, the third king, by the grandson.
Where was the sauna?
The sauna is there, that ruin building. But here they tried to build the church, but the space very small and they mixed outside, the red roof church outside. Therefore, Ethiopian saint, a most venerated saint, Tekla Haimanoth. That's the church of Tekla Haimanoth. And there is a bridge, an arch bridge, rainbow bridge, which kind of different castle. To go to the church, the king, they walk on top of the arched bridge. And the other people, the priestess, they prof the turban, the white thing, they prof the turban, and they bow down and to respect the king. They make hat off each time they pass. Whether the king has gone that way or not, every time they pass, they they make hat off, you know. They prof the turbans to respect. We do it even this time to respect our elders. Now we go to the third palace, to the palace of Joshua the first, to the son of Johannes and the grandson of King Fatima.
When he comes, you have to stand up.
Oh, that's still that culture.
Top of the bridge, but they have to walk underneath. So we go down, we go to the third palace.
Okay.
So watch your head down and watch, hold the wall.
So they're going to the other church?
No church. It's the castle. The church is.
I mean a castle?
Yes. The sub. The celebration. Joshua.